Buongiorno and welcome in my kitchen. What we're going to be cooking today is a simple pasta, spaghetti with zucchini. Zucchini is, there is different kind of zucchini, but for this pasta you have to use the white one. It's a must. So first thing first, again, there is process to do. What you need to have first is a boiling water. Make sure you put enough salt in it, because you don't want too much salt, but you don't want just that it tastes bland. So when you have the salt in the water, just one portion, 100 grams of pasta, put in the water. So we got now 6 minutes to do this dish. Nice hot frying pan with extra virgin olive oil. Always try to use good oil. For anything that you put inside you, make sure it's the best. You deserve the best, so extra virgin oil anytime. Yeah, it looks quite a lot, but it's part of this dish. You have to use a lot of oil for this pasta. Make sure that you go and stir the pasta, because you don't want it to stick together, especially spaghetti. Spaghetti is a very difficult pasta, easy to stick. And to see if it's cooked or not, don't throw in the cupboard like English people used to do a long time ago. So cut this courgette. It has to be not too thick, not too thin. It's like quarter of an inch. And okay, that's that. Then the oil should be nearly hot. So you crush 1 clove of garlic and you put in there. You're gonna take it off. And 2. Then chilli. Nice big chunk of chilli. Again, you're gonna take it off. So make sure that it's gonna got a bit of a spice, a bit of heat that you need to have in this dish. So the water is boiling and the pasta is cooking. Yeah, soon this you see the garlic, it goes there. Then you start to add the zucchini. And you have to salt them up a bit. Throw all in there, whatever. This one courgette, the smell of garlic, beautiful, and the chili. I can smell it very, very nicely. And what I've got here is a nice mint. So this you can cut in bits because it's part of the dish. And this we're going to use it for after. Bit of salt on the zucchini, and let's take a cup on the pasta. It will not take long. It's very quick pasta to make, and it's getting now cooked. You see, nice and colorful. Okay, so another ingredient, very, very important, is Parmesan cheese, which we're going to add this at the very end. At this point, we take it off the chili and we take it off the garlic, and we don't need this anymore. And we add some pepper. Pepper is an ingredient in this dish. Put all in there. Oh, look at that! Nice. This is a really nice, easy, simple dish. Let's test the pasta if it's ready. You want pasta al dente, but no raw. How do you find out? If you look inside and you see white, still not ready. Okay, we got here the courgette ready. Nice color, you see. Doesn't have to be too dark, but oh, nice and golden color. Good. Now, the pasta is ready, and I'm gonna take off the water. But don't worry, we need water in this pasta. So if you got some water in there, please leave it. Okay, I'm still cooking. Just a better way to take off all the pasta from the water. Okay, at this point, we need to add some of the pasta water. Add some of the pasta water and saute it. See, it will get all the flavor all together inside the pasta. Nice, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful way to eat this pasta. Okay, so this is off, this is off. Now we're gonna plate it up. You see, it didn't take that long. It's very, very easy. One, here. Put all the courgette on top. That. And we got to finish off with a few other things. The juice that is here. This is, oh, the goodness that come out of this pasta. And my special oil, my best oil. Bit on top. Some black pepper. And ladies and gentlemen, we have the pasta con zucchini fritte. Beautiful dish, easy to make, enjoy it. If you like this dish, just go to my channel and subscribe it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!